Good day everybody, I've got this solar light here for an unboxing and review. And oh my lord, look at the size of this thing. This solar light is from Yongfeng. Take a look at this huge solar light. This is the biggest solar light I've ever owned. It's a 3,000 watter. Let's take a look at the front of it. Here's where the mounts are gonna go in the back there. Look at this beauty. And here's all the things that came with it. So it's got batteries for the remote. It's got an assortment of different fasteners as well. You're not going to use all these, but it gives you options. There's the remote, batteries with the remote. This piece here is going to go on the back of this as part of the mounting. Here's the mounting brackets for the light as well. So a lot of times what I like to do is just take some lag bolts and go right through there and mount it to a wooden post. But if you want to sandwich a post in between here, it comes with that bracket as well. This here is heavy duty, made of metal, reinforced. This mounting bracket here and the other piece and this piece as well is all metal. Here's kind of the idea on this, on how it goes together. Here's a quick overview on this too. It's got adjustable color temperature with 3 settings. It's got white, warm, and warm white. Dusk to dawn mode. It's got motion sensing. So when motion is detected, 30% brightness when no motion is detected. So it'll go from 30 to 100 and back down to 30 once no motion is detected. It comes with a remote, of course, a safe and stable installation with the lamp arm and a wide base. It even shows you here, you've got a pole mount that you can do. It comes with all the fasteners you need to do a pole mount, and then also a wall mount. So you can use these expansion screws here. And what they're talking about there, those expansion screws are these here. Okay, here's a remote control breakdown. So I'll get the remote here and just kind of show you exactly what this thing does. So to turn on the lights, there's your power for turning it on. And then the device is fixed at 100% and can only be adjusted using the remote control. So it's programmed to turn automatically at dusk and turn off at dawn. Now if you switch it to the off positions, the light won't function. To activate it, you must manually turn it on. For full brightness, half brightness, or increased brightness, you're going to use this button here, right? So increase it, decrease it, and then for your, so the middle button, that's for warm, white, or yellow. So that's to adjust the light setting there. Here, this is for motion sensing mode there, that button. And then here, this is the 3, 5, or 8 hour time frame. It'll be fixed on 100% brightness for that period of time. And it'll switch to motion sensing mode as well. If you want 100% constant brightness, you're gonna push that auto button. It'll stay at 100% for 12 hours. All right, let's put this thing together. Okay, now for assembly, we're gonna take this here, set it right in there, and you'll notice that chalk there, that stiffener, the support bracket goes down, because this panel is gonna face up. So the weight of this is right down here. So that goes down like that. And then you're gonna take your other bracket, this black one here, it's gonna go around just like that. And you're gonna take your 4 fasteners, put them up through there and fasten them down. Okay, we'll get 4 of these. Put them down through there. The washer goes on top and the nut goes on the bottom there. Okay, one thing I like to do before I mount this, it's a lot easier to mount this to a board or a fence post or a wall mount if you have this thing out and then slide the light on later, because it's heavy trying to hold this thing up and then mount that. So just get this thing set to where you can slide it on and then tighten it up once this is already mounted. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. we go. There's the mount to my post. Go ahead and slide the light right on there. There we go. Got it up there at night. Got it kind of backed in up against this old cedar stump. What's left of it. So it kind of blends in real good, especially at nighttime. Wow, this thing is nice and bright. Okay, here's a look at the different light colors too. That's yellow. There's that white. I'm just changing it with the remote here. See, it went to 30% there because it didn't detect movement, so now it's back up to 100. It'll drop back down to 30 with that motion detection. There's the motion detection. There it is at 30. Now watch this. Right when I move, back up to 100. I'm just changing the lights so you can get a look at them here. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.